Sign up today with EcoWare's Hero Academy to learn more about the EcoWare Smart Thermostat. Gather around the big screen because our star instructor is there to show off all the bells and whistles. Think easy setup, real-time data, and temperature control so smooth it practically reads your mind.
And I will talk about our thermostats more in depth. This is our new thermostat with our it has IoT functions in it. So this thermostat, you can actually see through our IoT technology. You can see what wires are hooked, what wires have power on them, what the room temperature, everything that you would want to see when you're diagnosing a call, you can see remotely from our console. Right? Everything is there for you.
Sign up today with EcoWare's Hero Academy, the ultimate training ground for HVAC champions.